Baking muffins, cakes, and cupcakes follow similar principles, but each has its own unique preparation method. Below is a detailed guide to baking each of these treats. 1. How to cook muffins. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, half a cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 tsp salt, half a cup unsalted butter melted, 2 large eggs, 1 cup milk or buttermilk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup mixins of blueberries, chocolate chips, nuts, etc. Optional. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven and prepare muffin pan. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease the cups with oil or butter. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Ensure ingredients are evenly combined. Step 3. Mix wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together melted butter, eggs, milk, and vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and well combined. Step 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spatula or wooden spoon until just combined. Do not overmix, or muffins will become dense. If using mix-ins, e.g., blueberries, chocolate chips, fold them in gently. Step 5. Fill the muffin cups. Fill each muffin cup 2/3 full to allow space for rising. Step 6. Bake. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Step 7. Cool and serve. Allow muffins to cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. 2. How to cook cakes. Ingredients: 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 cup unsalted butter softened, 4 large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, 2.5 tsp baking powder, 1/2 tsp salt, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven and prepare cake pan. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour your cake pans to prevent sticking. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Step 3. Mix wet ingredients. In a large bowl, beat butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Step 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Alternate adding dry ingredients and milk to the batter mixture, beginning and ending with dry ingredients. Mix gently until just combined. Step 5. Bake the cake. Pour butter into prepared cake pans. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Step 6. Cool and frost the cake. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then transfer it to a wire rack. Once fully cooled, frost with your favorite icing and decorate as desired. 3. How to cook cupcakes. Ingredients. Similar to cake ingredients but in smaller proportions. 1.5 cups all-purpose flour. 1 cup granulated sugar. Half a cup unsalted butter softened. 2 large eggs. Half a cup whole milk. 1.5 tsp baking powder. 1/2 tsp salt. 1.5 tsp vanilla extract. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven and prepare cupcake pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Line a cupcake tin with paper liners. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients. In a bowl, whisk together flour, baking powder, and salt. Step 3. Mix wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, beat butter and sugar until creamy. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each. Stir in vanilla extract. Step 4. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Alternately add dry ingredients and milk to the batter mixture, mixing gently. Step 5. Fill cupcake liners. Fill cupcake liners about 2/3 full to leave room for rising. Step 6. Bake cupcakes. Bake for 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Step 7. Cool and frost. Let cupcakes cool completely before frosting with buttercream or any desired topping. Tips for successful baking. White heavy checkmark: do not overmix, this makes the texture dense. White heavy checkmark: use room temperature ingredients, ensures even mixing. White heavy checkmark: test for doneness with a toothpick, it should come out clean. White heavy checkmark: cool completely before frosting, prevents the frosting from melting.